tiny fig wasps. They're only 2 millimeters long. The figs have a unique partnership with these insects. A female wasp has the space of just a single day when the fig will allow her to burrow into the undeveloped fruit. It's such a tight squeeze that her wings are ripped off, but she's not going to use them again. Once inside, she makes her way to the tiny, tightly packed internal flowers. And here within, she lays hundreds of eggs. She then carefully unpacks fig pollen from her abdomen and with it fertilizes the tiny flowers. When she's finished laying, she dies inside the unripe fig, alongside her eggs. The sunlight now slowly ripens the figs and helps the young wasps inside to develop. After just 5 weeks, the eggs start to hatch. The first to emerge are the golden wingless males. Things now become stranger than fiction. These males start to mate with their unhatched sisters. To reach them, they use a telescopic penis that's twice their body length. While their now pregnant sisters are beginning to hatch, the males themselves burrow their way to the outside world. The brothers' final act is a chivalrous one. They sacrifice themselves to marauding ants. They're serving as decoys so their sisters can take to the skies. The young females, loaded with pollen, live for just 48 hours, in which time they must find another fig tree at just the right stage into which they themselves can burrow as their mothers did.